Hi guys, how's it going? My name's Will and I work at the Caboolture Library, and today we are going to do some songs and rhymes together. Are you ready? First of all, we're going to do our acknowledgement of country. So let's get started. Here is the land and here is the sky. Here are my friends and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and the land on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on gubby gubby undamby ground. Alright, so our first song is our hello song. So are you ready to give me some waves? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Alright, our first song, we're going to need some hands for this one. So if you hold up your hand, or mums and dads, parents, carers, if you're at home, you can use toes as well for this one. My little girl loves this one. Are you ready? This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had ice cream. And this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee, 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 all the way home. All right. We're going to do the other hand this time because repetition is really important when it comes to songs and rhymes. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. And this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee, 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 all the way home. Great job, you guys. All right, the next one we're going to do requires some actions. First, we have our baby crocodile. We have a mummy crocodile and a great big daddy crocodile. Are you all ready to get started? Baby crocodile, don't you bite, don't you bite. I can run away from you, I can run away from you. Out of sight, boo, out of sight, boo. Ready for mummy? Mummy crocodile, don't you bite, don't you bite. I can run away from you, I can run away from you. Out of sight, boo, out of sight, boo. Are you ready for a big daddy crocodile? Daddy crocodile, don't you bite, don't you bite. I can run away from you, I can run away from you. Out of sight, boo, out of sight, boo. Awesome, good work everybody. Now I'm going to sing a song with my friend over here. We are going to sing Miss Polly, alrighty? So if you've got either your child or if your kid's got a doll you want to use, then we'll get ready to be started. Are you all ready to go? Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning, yes I will, will. Good job you guys. I hope your dolly is feeling better soon. Maybe a nice snooze and a good meal will help him feel better. Alright, we're going to sing another one about a bit of a creepy crawly insect, alright? I really like this one and it's about a spider, alrighty? So if you can get your climbing fingers ready, we are going to sing Incy, Wincy. Are you ready? Incy, Wincy, spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Wincy, Wincy, spider climbed up the spout again. Good job you guys. Shall we do that one again? I really like it. Are you ready? Incy, Wincy, spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Wincy, Wincy, spider climbed up the spout again. Ah, well done you guys. That was fantastic. Now we've got another action song to do and this is one of my favorites. So we're going to do it the normal way first, and then we're going to do a silly way next. Okay, so we're going to do open, shut them. So we have open and shut them. Do you reckon you can follow along? Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them, lay them in your lap. You ready? Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them, right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, blow a little kiss. Mwah! Good job, you guys. That was excellent. Now, we're going to do it again, and we're going to do it a silly way. So this time, when I say open, I want you to close them. And when I say shut them, I want you to open them. And then the other actions, we'll do backwards things for them as well. Are you all ready to go? Let's see if I can get this right. It's a bit tricky. Here we go. Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Oh. Open, shut them, open, shut them, lay them in your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them, right up to your, maybe your toes even. Oh. Ready? Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, blow a little kiss. Oh, you guys are good. All right, now we are going to sing our goodbye song now. I hope you've all had lots of fun at Rhyme Time with me. Come and see us sometime soon. The libraries are back open now, and we'd love to see you in here borrowing some books again. All right, are you ready? Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Thanks guys, have a good day.